In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get an app store with 1 million apps on your Firestick. The Firestick App Store is actually developed not before. It was very limited, but now, as you can see, I'm in it, and I'm going to categories, and let's go to entertainment. Obviously the best ones on the top, but if you keep scrolling down, you'll see there's hundreds of apps, folks. Apart from that, the Amazon App Store is pretty limited. However, Aptoid TV, which is the app store I'm gonna show you today, as of 2018, it's called 1 million apps in the store, folks, so that's good. So let me show you how to install it. Right guys, from your Firestick home screen, you just go to your settings, and then you go to My Fire TV, and then you want to click on developer options. If you do not see them, tap on about, tap where it says Fire TV Cube Stick whatever 7 times till it says you're now a developer. Push back, you'll now see developer options. Go into it, make sure that ADB debugging is on, as well as install unknown apps. Make sure that's on for downloader, and if you haven't got it already, you can get it straight from the Amazon App Store. Right, when you've got downloader, open it up, and you want to type this code in, A26476. Again, that's A26476. And then you're gonna click on go once you type it in, and they will redirect you to my APK store. So let's give that a second. Once you're here, you're gonna scroll down to the section called Application Stores, and then you'll see the second option, Aptoid TV, just there with this orange icon. So once you see it highlighted, select this, and it will just download Aptoid TV. Right, once you're seeing this, you click on install, and then afterwards you just click on done. You don't need this APK file, guys, so click delete, then delete again. Then you want to go with your mouse to the left hand menu, as you can see there. Just click on home, and then press the home button, and then you want to go to your apps, where you'll find Aptoid TV. Open it up, click OK, and this is Aptoid TV, guys. So as you can see, it looks a lot nicer than the Amazon App Store. In Discover you have your top apps like YouTube and Netflix, Google, which you couldn't get from the Amazon App Store, Subi TV, which I couldn't get, so let me demonstrate to you now. So I'm gonna click on it, And then I'm gonna click install. And that will download Siri TV for me. Right, so you'll get this pop-up. Click on settings. Click on install unknown apps. Make sure that's on the app toy TV. Push back again. Click install again. Right, so click install, and that will just download Siri TV for you. Because I'm in the UK, I will need a VPN for it, so click done. Siri TV all ready to go if I connect to a United States server on a VPN. No rivals, so 4K nature stuff. Games, these are not all the games, the most pop in the games, and these are the most pop in the streaming apps. Scroll down, click on entertainment, just there, and as you'll see thousands of months, thousands folks. There's red box, never go on, never swipe this, so this must be a hidden gem, all sorts in the folks. Minus pages amongst pages, folks. And it's just refets as you can see, guys. 9 now exports. Toffee, don't know what that is, but in fact, guys, I've got a challenge for you. I challenge you guys to download any random app from this section and comment down below. How do you find the app, folks? Like, what's the app's name and how you finding it, folks? If you're finding it good, I'll check it out. So leave your comments down below. But yeah, guys, this is just the streaming apps. I'm probably not even halfway on this to be honest, guys. But anyway, I'm still got music. Tons of music apps, news, tons. Let me see, sport apps, NFL apps, the song, media and video. As you can see, there's tons there. I'll show you the games, and these all the games, folks. I could spend hours on this, folks, but I'll leave it up to you, folks. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to my channel with all notifications turned on. That way you don't miss a video of mine. And with that all being said, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.